Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Jamie and I'm a student of Cal University. In this video I will demonstrating the functioning of messaging system infrastructure with Microsoft Exchange Server 2007. For the purpose of this video, I have designed a small internal network LAN with a virtual software called the VirtualBox. Let me show you my VirtualBox. As you can see, my VirtualBox is running on several computers. I have my domain, Exchange, and other computers, and several computers, as you can see. Currently, I have running my domain, Exchange server, and 2 clients. The small LAN infrastructure involves Windows 2000 server, functioning as my domain controller, which has a DHCP DNS integrated. I have another server here which is also Windows Server 2008 R2. It's member of domain and runs Microsoft Exchange Server 2007. And I have another 2 clients PCs. These PCs are XP. They both are virtual PCs. The main idea of this video is to demonstrate the interaction of clients to send and receive emails through the Exchange messaging system. Let's get started. First, I'll do a little demonstration about my domain controller. I'm gonna go back to my domain controller. This is my first domain controller. The name is of my domain is irusa.com. This is the name of the domain, irusa.com. So again, I have my computers. As you can see, these are the computers in my domain, and these are the users. I have also running the DHCP, the IP set up for IP4, and I have the address pool. This is all the address pool assigned to these computers. Also, I have reservations for my Exchange server and other servers. Also, I have a DNS running, a DNS which translate the host name to the IP address, or vice versa, which is reverse lookup DNS. Well, so I have a DHCP and Active Directory running simultaneously in my domain computer. So I'm now gonna jump to my Exchange server. This is the Exchange server. As you can see, it's just one computer running a VirtualBox, and I'm running right now virtual computers. This is the Exchange server. Also, I have the Active Directory, the same Active Directory in my domain. But the main idea of this server is to run Exchange server. This is the presentation of Exchange Server 2007. As you can see, the 2007 has many changes related to 2003. And we have organization configuration, server configuration, recipient configuration. I have in my mailbox, just to show you the storage. I have two storage, mailbox storage, named MB faculty storage and a mailbox database storage. And simultaneously, I have a public folder, which is called a PC. I have the client's configuration, and I have transport configuration, and the recipient configuration. In the recipient configuration, you can see all my clients. This is called the email enable, the mailbox enable clients. All these clients are able to send and receive email in the network. The mailboxes. I have created also the distribution group. This is my distribution group, just to show you who are a member of distribution group. These are the people members of distribution group. Then going back to mailbox again, these are the email enable users. Well, so let's go to my clients. This is one of clients. Let's open Outlook. Outlook is already up. This is Outlook and my first client, and this is my second client. Just to show you, I'm gonna open. I'm running simultaneously Outlook and two of these stations. I'm gonna send one email from the station 1 to the station 2. Let's say new email. To who? The station 2 is this user. I'm gonna pick this user. Okay, and then subject I would say test. This is a test. So this message is gonna be sent to the station 2. So sent. Says already sent. Going back to the station 2. This is the station 2. I have one message. It says it's coming from the station 1, which is my name, Jamie. This is the message. This is a test. So what I'm trying to do in this little demonstration is that my two XP computers are sending and receiving email. Means they are part of the domain, and they can send and receive email in the network. Again, a little second demonstration from my second PC from here, or just to say I could reply this message. Okay, I'm gonna reply this message, and then you can say, okay, I got it. So then you send. This reply is gonna go back to the station 1. Well, it's right here. Yes, I got it. So this again, the important thing of this demonstration is the functioning of Exchange server. Another demonstration, I would say, for example, send before going back to my Exchange server, these two stations are also able to connect to my public folders. My public folders is right here. These are the public folders set up. This client, for example, can post messages. It's the same thing in the client 2. They are connected to the public folder. They're member of public folder. They can see, they can read, they can post and a public folder. This is a public folder, the same thing. And also I have created my calendars in PC2 just for the purpose of demonstration. I have three schedules in the month. 17, for example, 17 I have it says finish the final exam, the Saturday 18 making the video, and Sunday 19 submit the final video. So this is the owner of this calendar, but this user is sharing the calendar with the second user, which is this computer. So how I can see the calendar? Just going to calendars. I could see the calendars here, as you can see. This is the calendar that belongs to this user, and this is the shared calendar. It's me, Jamie. So as you can see before, this is the calendar being shared. This is a little demonstration of how Exchange the messaging system works, and this video obviously was the part of my class, a course which was messaging system infrastructure. I just wanted to show that I learned many things about this class, and I'm happy with that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye.